Most of us owns a smartphone. And talking about the statistics, there are around 3.5 billion smartphone users in the world. But not everyone uses their smartphone in a smart way. There are many tricks, hidden features and life hacks for the smartphones available. So today I'm gonna tell you Android secret features that you might didn't even knew ever existed. By the way, if you enjoy our content and want more quality videos like this, so do like, share and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hey guys, my name is Yashdeep and you are watching Techspert, so let's get started. So the first one is really basic and you might know about this. It is triple tap to zoom. Like you are scrolling on Instagram and you saw any photo and you want to zoom that, but you don't want to use your both hands, or you want to see someone's profile pic without downloading it, or you want to zoom into a gallery photo beyond its normal zoom range. So all you need to do is that you have to go in your system settings and then in the search area just search triple, and then you will see the option named as magnify with triple tap, or it can be triple tap to zoom. Click on that and just enable it, and now you can zoom into anything like Instagram newsfeed or anyone's profile photo or even a photo on your mobile phone beyond its zoom range. It's cool, right? Let's move on to the second one, and that is stabilization trick by Google Photos. It happens many times, right, that you recorded a video on your device or on your mobile phone and that comes really shaky at the end, or the video stabilization of your device is not that powerful. So what you can do, you can go in your Google Photos and from there just open any video you want to stabilize, and then you just have to click on these three bars and you will see this icon on screen, and just click on this. Basically, this will do some stabilization tweaks in this video and the results will be shocking. And yeah, you can see the difference now. So this feature can be very helpful to the vloggers too. The third one can be very helpful for everyone, and that is confidential mode. It happens many times that you wanna send some personal details to your friend or even a family member or even an internet cafe guy for filling your exam forms, but you don't want those details, those photos to be with them for a lifetime. So what you can do for this, just click on these three dots and go to confidential mode option. Here you can set an expiry date for the mail you are sending, and also you can set a SMS passcode option too. So by the help of this feature, the recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print or even download the image or the document you have sent. And so you don't have to worry about your personal details and the files you sent anymore. So there are times that you feel like your device isn't smooth like before, or it is facing lag issues, or just it don't feel snappy anymore. So our fourth feature will come handy at that time, and that's called animation scale tweaking. What you can do is that go to your settings menu, but firstly you have to check that is your developer mode active or not. So for that, open about phone and there will be some options like this. Just click on the UI version like 5-6 times and you will see that your developer mode will be active. Mine is already active, so then go back and search developer options. Open that and go to these animation scale options, and here you have to set up your animation scale to 0.5x, and that's it. So from now you will feel considerable changes in speed of animations, and overall you will feel that your device feels much more smooth and snappy as compared to earlier. App animation time just reduced to half, or you can say that animation speed just increased by 50%. So most of you people share YouTube videos on WhatsApp, right? There are times that you want your friends or family members to watch full video, but at times you want them to watch a specific part of the video. So this is when our YouTube trick comes in play. I don't know what it is actually called, but you can simply say YouTube link tweaking. What you have to do is that just while sending any YouTube video link to anyone, after pasting it to the text area, you just have to type T for time, and let's say I want them to jump on 3 minutes and 10 seconds. So just type T 3M and 10S. Here M stands for minutes and S stands for seconds, and that's it. Now whenever anyone opens this link, they will be directed to the specific timeline you want them to see in video. It's too cool, right? By the way guys, if you are watching video till now and you enjoy our content, so don't skip upcoming video on iOS life hacks, and do like, share and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So our sixth trick is quite interesting, and it's called Secret File Manager. Most of us people want to keep our file manager and gallery locked, so as to keep our photos, our songs, videos private and safe. But sometimes It can happen that we forget our password and we really want to access those files. So what you can do, you can go in your Chrome browser and in the search area just type file : ///SD card/ and that's it. You will see, even if you have an app lock, you are still able to access all your photos, videos, songs and file manager. Also, why this trick? You can even see hidden photos, songs, videos, just anything of your friend's phone too. But you should not peep into someone's privacy. Most of us people uses Gboard or Google Keyboard as our default keyboard. But you know, there are some smart features you can use. And one of them is capitalizing words without typing them again. It happens many times that you are typing a paragraph and you suddenly remember that you were supposed to type a line in capital format. But erasing that whole line and typing it again isn't quite interesting, right? So what you can do is that just select the line you want to make in capital form and click on caps lock button. When you click, you will see different orientation of capital words and you can choose whichever you want to. You want just first letter to be in capital or the whole word, all your choice. So that was all for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoy our content, do like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. I'll catch you guys later in next one.